Hello, my name is Karen Perez, leasing manager at the Lorenzo Student Housing. Today you will be taking a tour with me.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
Pretty good, pretty good. So what will we see today?
So today you will be seeing our complex, all our amenities. Yeah, we're gonna edit this. It's okay. Yes, we're gonna show all of our amenities, the community, and for you to know what kind of lifestyle you would have here at the Lorenzo near USC campus. This is our main lobby. Right here we have our 24-hour courtesy patrol. A lot of parents do ask, and a lot of students ask, like, oh, how do you manage the building? Everything is access control, and we do have our team here 24 hours that monitor the property and walk the property day and night. Upstairs we have some library space, mezzanine for studies. We also have a courtesy 24 hours filter and coffee break. We are eco-friendly, so students are required to bring their own mug. Follow me.
My best spot.
Yes.
A lot of sunny day.
This is definitely one of the favorite places in the Lorenzo. You have your green area. This is a very nice patch of grass in the middle of the city. You can walk, you can practice yoga, you can do meditation. And on our beautiful California weather, we do outdoor activities in the summer. We do carnivals, we do movies under the stars. We definitely do the dodgeball tournament. Very fun, very used by our students during the summer. We have our beautiful dancing fountains. They do light up overnight, which is a nice little show. Which is a beautiful, beautiful amenity to have, and it has the Greek theater just for lounging space. A lot of our students just like to sit there, enjoy the fountains, read a book, lounge around. Just a nice little space to get your head off the books. Yes. Next, we will be walking to one of our students' favorites. Definitely one of the most used amenities. It is our 24-hour gym. And here you will find all of the heavy equipment in the bottom. So we do have, this is a 3-story gym with the rock climbing wall being the second floor.
That's my favorite part.
Yes. Very interesting, very fun.
Our rock climbing gym right up there. Look at the height of it.
Yes, it's definitely a nice little challenge. And we have the ropes and of course all of the heavy lifting on the first floor. As we move along, you do find like our screens that always have our information, our promotions, all that good stuff. Here is more like resistance training equipment. We do try to always have the best, modern, state-of-the-art equipment for our students to enjoy, specifically the ones that are very athletic. Next, we have one of 4 pools. This pool actually is the only one that is 24 hours. Oh, I think never mind. It's under maybe maintenance. Sorry about that. But this is the only of the 4 pool that is 24 hours and is indoor. Yes, you can see it through the glass. Tailored and curated for our students, specifically our athletes, our basketball courts. Yes, Lakers. And just like LA has 2 basketball teams. We have 2 basketball courts, Lakers and Clippers on the other side. We also have an indoor jogging track, which is a 1/4 mile. So 4 laps gives you your mile.
most exciting part.
Yes.
Where you can play. This is the area where Lorenzo has its Halloween party as well.
Absolutely. We do very fun events here.
Look at the sheer size of it.
And the Duel is same vendor that did Staples back in the day.
Whoa.
So that's a fun fact for us.
That's a fun fact.
It's a very fun fact. So you actually get to play on the real court. Come on over to our next stop. For all of our more artistes,
Yes, this is my favorite part of the tour.
we do have our very own music room. We do have a grand piano and just seating and the stands for the notebooks. This is an amenity that is reservable, and a lot of our students record their demos here, along with recordings for them to submit to schools or even to the LA Orchestra. We do have, I believe, 2 students that have already been admitted into the LA Orchestra.
Wow.
Yes, and they've recorded their demos right here. Thank you. Here we are now in our central kitchen. This is our dining area here at the Lorenzo. It is a restaurant that operates out of this facility, where you will have all your dining space outside, your favorite games upstairs like billiards, ping pong, shuffleboard, and of course the restaurant here within reach, just footsteps away from your door. Central kitchen, yes. They have a very extended menu, pizzas, burgers, wraps, salad, very nice, very tasty for sure. And a lot of times also our international students ask, specifically their parents, about meals. They do have a meal card. So the student buys this card and then they can just load funds in it and they can come and pay for their food.
Perfect.
Yes. And of course, every student's favorite place, the library rooms. Our library rooms are 24 hours,
Wow.
just because everybody has different schedules. So it's the entire corridor, 2 floors connected of just study space. We do have some nice little tucked away bungalows throughout the property in the garden areas where they can also use as study rooms.
Study room, yeah?
Yes. So all of this is study space. And we'll walk right in so you can have a look. So you can see this is where all of our students are studying for their finals, for their midterms, for projects. And all of this is first come, first served space.
I like the color of the library.
Thank you.
It's very rare to find, and it's
Yes. And the art. Thank you. Follow me. Here we have our package concierge space. So all of our students sign up at the beginning of the year. It's a one-time fee that they pay, and it's for the package concierge system where carriers deliver to these lockers, student receives a code, and then picks up their package. For any overflow, anything that does not fit in these lockers, we have an entire package room team where they absorb and log in all that overflow. We have a theater. I think it's reserved, but we have a theater, we have our resident services team, we have our mail room. Definitely all of that space available for students. And let me point out, every month we have a curated calendar of events.
Yes.
We do food events, we do parties, we do pool parties when the weather allows. We do free movie night, anything that is for the student life for them to enjoy, we tailor it into our calendar for the students to have the best experience here at the Lorenzo. And on this floor, we have our cardio corridor. It's the continuation of the gym. This whole area is all cardio. Ellipticals, treadmills, row machines, along with bathrooms that are still gender separated, that have their own steam rooms and saunas. So any of these machines you can use within 24 hours a day. The water filters, and we have the Echelons that have the training sessions where you can just select a workout and you have like a digital trainer there. Very, our students really like those.
Wow, that's
Very beautiful. And lots of lounging space for sure. Beautiful gardens everywhere you go in the community. Just space to relax, enjoy your day, enjoy our beautiful California weather.
I can show you don't charge any resort fees for here.
We do not charge resort fees. This is a resort all included.
Yes.
And of course, our insignia amenity, our main pool deck. It's the second of 4 pools. This pool is a junior size Olympic pool, heated of course, with 2 hot tubs in each end. Lots of seating space, lounging, cabanas, and tanning beds. The water has a really nice little effect. Gardens everywhere. Come on over. There's definitely always something to see at the Lorenzo.
Yes. I love how they got some balcony space as well.
Yes, and every apartment has a balcony that comes with the furniture already included, the patio furniture. So we'll go on next to another of our very loved amenities for sure. All of our amenities are very much enjoyed by our students. Okay. They love to be here. When they're not in school, they're here enjoying their home. Garden space, you know, very open. And people forget that we are still in the middle of downtown LA, yes, but just have such a nice location. Excuse our dust. We're always looking to enhance our property for sure. Yes. Garden. Yeah. Garden. Everything green. And of course, our very own, our very beautiful sand volleyball court. We do host some tournaments, and our students really are passionate about those volleyball tournaments for sure. They're very fun, very fun. Hi. Here you have the continuation of our fitness center, still a 24-hour amenity. This is our dance room. We also have our bikes here, our stationary bikes. We have barre, we have the Pilates machines, boxing, anything you need to, diversify your workout. We'll move along down the steps. It's a beautiful day out today.
Yes.
Amenity space.
But yeah, I wanted to do it properly, so that, it's worth.
Yes, thank you. We have beautiful views. We have our shuttles over there. We have our students, that's where they wait for the shuttle. Students wait for the shuttle over there that runs consistently through the week, Monday to Friday, every 20 to 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
Yeah.
Monday to Friday, and on weekends we have a 7 to 1, but we are still within the free DPS zone, so students can catch a free lift from campus to Lorenzo.
Okay.
Like for the late hours, like after school, when they have late classes, they can use that resource. Come on
That's
over.
my nephew resource actually.
Yes.
I was looking at shuttle yesterday and I was like, yeah, that.
It's so convenient. So this is our model unit, which is our standard layout.
Okay.
Our 2x2, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, furnished. All of our student units come with furniture. It's the full kitchen with appliances, gas stove, of course, bar stools, dining table, has a washer and dryer in unit, living room set, TV, the 2 bathrooms. On this side, if you follow me, you will find the private setting. This type of setting is to host 1 student. They lease the entire bedroom and they have this whole place, this whole bedroom to themselves, do not share. Of course, for all of us that love clothes, we have our walk-in closets.
Perfect.
Yes. Bathroom with deep tubs. So this is a private setting for 1 student where you would only share the common space. On the other hand, for some of our students that like to be more cost aware or that, are more like thinking about budgeting, we do still offer the shared option, which would be this option where you would share a bedroom with someone. Bed 1, bed 2. It means it will host 2 people in here. You will share a bathroom and of course a walk-in closet. And majority of them, especially if you're doing the shared option, we try to place you where you have the 2 sinks. So that's very convenient.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Hey Karen, just wanted to check with you. What would you say is the best part about Lorenzo? What makes kids prefer this over anything around the block?
Of course, so for the Lorenzo, we are mainly focused in student housing. Our students' well-being and them thriving is a priority to us. We create a community environment along with that luxury, all-inclusive resort feel. But above all, we are tailored and catered to the student needs. Shuttle buses to campus, private study rooms, 24 hours, gyms 24 hours for their well-being. And of course, on top of that, you have the best competitive rates in the downtown LA market.